That's how you do well in tournaments because you're so often going to just miss. You're not going to have much. You're not going to have a pair. You're not even going to have a good draw. And there's you got to fight for pots.
Yeah, you're probably one of the best players in this tournament, you know? You're just not playing much, but I really doubt someone saw some more hands than you in this tournament.
True. That's what I said. If I make the final table, I feel very strong about my what can happen. But it's hard to get there, right? There's a lot of play before, and yeah, I've seen 150 of these or so. Very because it's not just watching or seeing the highlight of the hands. It's yeah, you're really in it. You see the timing, the tempo. You're kind of really immersed in it. That's also why I think like being a guest. Which again, thank you so much for your time today and coming on. It's it's nice, right? Because it's different than reviewing or just looking at some hands, and you're really in
Yeah,
it.
for
It's
sure.
like you're in it. So
Yeah. My
generally great
pleasure.
results follow. Yeah, thank you so much again. Yeah, it's a booth magic that usually comes afterwards. So again, if you're in Prague or whatever your next event is, good luck in online. You play next week. You'll play. I mean, you're playing mostly the Sundays. That's your schedule as of now, like when you're home.
Yeah, I try to play like every Sunday because it's like way bigger than other days. Once I just play Sundays outside the series, I need to be kind of, not miss never. So I almost never miss Sundays. And let's see, last year I intended to play less than I actually played. And of course, after big results, I kind of looking forward for next years and probably play 3 or even 4 times per week.